Good morning! We're on our way to Blowing Rock, North Carolina with my family. Good morning! We're on our way to Blowing Rock, North Carolina with my family. We are taking 2 cars today and we're on our way to pick up my brother and his wife so that we can all caravan to the mountains for the weekend. We're at Grandview Overlook.
And it's freezing.
Outside of Blowing Rock and Boone. It is very cold.
3,240 feet.
Sorry if the camera's ridiculously shaky. It's gonna be so shaky because I'm so cold.
I got the car on high, no worries.
Everybody turn on their butt warmers. But that'll be us one day. 2 humans, 2 dogs, 4 cats, no children. Life goals. I hope you guys have a nice lunch together.
Aww.
We're the rejects.
You are so amazing, thank you.
Okay.
And was walking Betsy. Thank you. We just got our lunch delivered to us. And I went to go take Betsy on a walk while we're waiting for our food to arrive.
Yeah, I will take more clothes though, because it's a little chilly.
It's about 35 degrees and it's really chilly when we go outside.
Humidity.
The humidity is, it's funny, like you go from Colorado to come here, and you're like, oh, it's 35 degrees Colorado, 35 degrees here, and you're like, it's not that bad. The humidity makes all the difference. It feels so much colder.
And it's cloudy right now, so it feels even colder, but I'm excited that we have lunch.
3 asparagus, that'll be quite delicious. I hope you enjoy every bite.
I guess this is my shrimp and grits.
Yum. And this would be the crepes.
Also very small.
Okay. It looks like we need a second one.
We're gonna have to stop by for a snack somewhere.
Oh, the portion sizes are small. Mine's is actually quite good.
The flavor is delicious, but 3 asparagus.
That's a little rough. This is good.
Mm-hmm.
That's worth in small food and tasting bad. At least this actually tastes good. I think after this we're gonna go explore a little bit of a pond.
All right, Adam, where are we going?
We're going off to a lake that Anna found earlier. We're just gonna check it out and see what it's like.
We'll see you soon!
You ready to get some coffee?
Yes. Always ready for coffee.
There's a place that's like right down the street from here, so we're gonna get some coffee next.
Yes.
She's like, no, 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 no. That's always the challenge is we take Betsy with us and she gets so cold, but she doesn't want to stop exploring. She just wants to keep sniffing everything. But then she's shivering, so we bring the sling with her so we can warm her up for a little bit. You ready, shaky dog?
All right, so we're getting back from our walk, and as Adam said, we're gonna go get coffee. What are the odds that the people that park next to us are actually from Colorado, just moved to Alabama? They lived in Vail for 10 years.
So crazy. It was so fun. It's like, oh, someone from home.
Because I was recording the sticker, and then they came to the car, and we started talking, and I was like, no, I'm not just being a weirdo filming your car. I was looking at your sticker, and I thought, what are the odds? And so we got to talking. How cool is that? Pizza time.
Oh yeah, pizza time. I was about to say, we just finished walking through the town, did a little shopping. Now let's go get some pizzas. We got 5 boxes of pizza for 6 people. So we're eating really good tonight.
You having fun?
Oh, so much fun. I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna go jump on this.
Okay, what's the name?
Anna.
2 seconds for scanning and wipe it off, okay?
Dinner's ready. There you go, the pizzas.
Yum.
Yum. Secret's out. Jesse's not really reading anything. We just got pizza.
Oh, it smelled so good walking down the street with it.
Which my brother very conveniently
He decided he wanted
commandeered.
to basically he wanted to sit with his parents where they had the pizza.
So we're off to the berry patch, which is our Airbnb, and we can't wait to show you around. Dude, it's not the WRX.
We may have taken that turn a little tight.
Good thing I warned you.
It was a sharp hairpin.
I told you it was the hairpin turn. You wouldn't believe me. This is our house. Oh, we got a fireplace. Let's see what's over here. Here's the bathroom. Here's another bedroom.
This place looks really cool.
I know, it smells like a cabin.
It does smell like that. It does. It smells like a cabin, all right.
Check it out. This is cute. I think this might be ours. Ooh, here's another one. And through this door, bathroom. Aw, this feels like Crested Butte. This is cute. With a view.
So I got the Wild in Havana. It's got pulled pork, it's got salami, we got mustard on there, and it's got pickles on there. It's all things that make it delicious. And I just been enjoying every bite of it. And Anna got the shiitake.
Shiitake?
Yeah, shiitake, yeah. Anna got the shiitake mushrooms.
And it's very creamy and delicious. Good morning. So we've been snowed in for about 2 days now. I got this really kind of unexpected snowstorm where it dumped about
6 inches?
6 inches.
Yeah, it's a good amount.
Our Airbnb has a really, really steep driveway, so we just pretty much spent the last 2 days in our cabin, cooking,
sleeping, watching movies, hanging out, just relaxing.
Someone's getting her snow boots put on.
Betsy's got a very sad look on her face right now, like, I don't want these.
Oh, good girl.
So what are you making, Anna?
French chicken stew. It's the perfect crock pot meal for a wintry day. The recipe is from Melissa Urban's Whole30 Crockpot Cookbook, in case you're wondering.
Now we just have to wait for it to finish cooking.
Hot.
In the next video, we'll show you what it looks like when it finishes.
Okay, it's been 6 hours. Dinner is ready. I'm just gonna put the final touches to it.
No, not. It's just a sip.
Dinner's ready. We still enjoyed our weekend in the cabins. It's not often that we just get to relax all weekend long without really doing a lot, so. And we got to spend it with my family, so that was the best part.
That was definitely amazing. Just hanging out, relaxing, not doing anything together.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like or subscribe button, preferably the subscribe, and that way you can keep up with all the random adventures that we have.
Thanks for watching.
Bye! All right, so we're just getting back from our walk, as Adam said.
Toward Wonderland Trail.
We're gonna head over to our cabin now.
Oh, I was totally gonna record the video. Excuse me.
That didn't make it in the food, thank goodness.
Oh, powder. Like I just. Oh no!
You had a mess.